How to fix jitter and latency problems in Rainbow Six Siege. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to the settings, and then go to the graphics, and make sure this will be on by default. Make sure that on plus boost is enabled. You can also try lowering the graphics quality, but since you're watching this video, you probably already tried that. Let's go back, and let's do one more thing for the performance. Just press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time. So now right click on Rainbow Six, go to Details, right click on it now, go to Set Priority, and you can basically do this in every game, and then do Real Time. Let's change the priority. Now the computer has now prioritized this game, and it will only try to run this as fast as possible. Now, for the latency issues, hit the Windows key and then search My Games. It'll open up this folder. Click this folder right here, Rainbow Six. Click this folder, then go to the game settings. Scroll all the way down. Now, the game tries to find where your lowest ping is on what server. And that's what it is here. It's default. As you can see, default ping based. The game isn't always right, so if the game is jittery for you, you might need to find, for example, if you're in North Europe, you just copy this and then paste it here. Now you do need to exit the game and then save this. Now if that doesn't work, make sure you go to CMD, the command prompt, and you flush your DNS. So go to ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.